Inkfluence of art. INK Life, the tree of positivity. The tree of positivity has its trunk, core, with the branches of emotions above and below the roots of pain. They carry a lot of underground pain and hurt. We will use this activity to work on managing your emotional or behavioral issues that stem from the roots of pain or complex trauma. For this activity, the tree can be drawn on paper or whiteboard, and the leaves can be sticky notes, or use different colored markers and draw the leaves on or like the demonstrated activity. Supplies: multicolored construction paper, scissors, and markers. Cut leaves out of the different colored paper, at least 5 colors, and label each color under these exploratory questions for improving your awareness and how you manage your emotions. Label the feeling. Think of the emotions you have a hard time dealing with. Grow the emotion. How can you handle this emotion effectively? Temporary covering. Things you say and do that undermine your feelings. What others say that covers the issue. Things others say to dismiss or brush off your feelings. Improve the issue. Write ideas that will help you manage these identified emotions to improve the issues and complex trauma. This is a great activity to do as a family or with children. Dependent on the age, you could use emoji stickers and just enjoy talking about different emotions. Problem solve openly. What would they do scenarios for emotions. You're never too young to learn problem solving to help yourself. Fill up the branches with leaves, so you can have real growth from the past pain and trauma that may still be causing you shame and guilt. This can come out in other ways that will amount to further injury to your pain. It's best to work on issues before they cause you problems. Give yourself some positive feedback.